Hi Shimmy Shaker, welcome to our hip circle workout. This is a beautiful one if you want to get a workout through your hips, through your core, be strong as well as graceful and practice your belly dancing. Let's warm up. It was so good to move. I hope you're having a beautiful day. You will be after this. So swinging it out, using that momentum with your hands. And reaching up and over, all the way up. Getting a nice stretch through your side body. Hips. Getting down and up. And coming in, lifting up through your feet. Bring one ankle forward, other ankle forward. Yes. So this workout's all about our hip circles. And if you think hip circles, how many hip circles could there be? You wait and see, there are a lot. Rolling out through your shoulders. Other way. And opening up through your chest. Nice big stretch. So really bring that chest forward. And then other way. Arching your back for this one. Feeling it through here. And back to center. Dropping your head down. Nice slow circles around. Any sore spots? Hold there a little longer. Other way. And back to center. Let's do a little shoulder shimmy. Shake it out. So one shoulder forward, then the other shoulder forward. Working these muscles through here. That's it. And forward and back. Forward and back. Okay, coming into our circles. So we start off nice and small, keeping our knees nice and soft, coming around. So it's like you're drawing a circle on the floor with your hips, and your hips stay facing the front the whole time. So see, my fingers are facing the front, because my hips are facing the front. I'm not turning one way or the other, staying to the front, nice and small. Posture up tall, and other way. So one way will always feel easier than the other. So if you're just starting out, build your confidence, build your strength with the way that feels easier for you. Let me know in the comments which way feels easier, clockwise or anti-clockwise as you're looking down. Other way, 4, 3, 2, 1 other way. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Change. So framing your hips, so not here, but here. Other way, 4, 3, 2, other way, 4, 3, 2, one more set. Okay, coming into nice big circles now. So feet stay wide, all the way forward with those hips, all the way back. And as you come forward with the hips, the body leans back a little bit. And as you come back with the hips, your body leans forward a bit. So all the way through, body forward, back. So you can see I'm not moving my body to the side. I'm like one of those drinking birds coming down and up. So I know often people kind of move this way or that way. Try and stay to the front with your body. Just forward and back. If you're feeling good, add the arms. Close and hello. Goodbye. Hello. Other way. So start without the arms if you need to. Bring them in when you're ready. That's it. Oh, this move feels so good on your hips. So good on your legs. I've been dancing in the mornings lately, and this has to be one of the moves that just gets you feeling great for the day, because it just stretches out everything, and it feels so beautiful as well. That's it. Okay, coming back in, we're going to go one side and open, one side and open. So you're kind of starting to one side and then you finish to the other side. So it's like 1.5 circles. That's it. So take away the arms if you need to. Good, good, good. Oh, really loosening up. Feeling those legs nice and relaxed. Feeling those hips nice and relaxed. That's it. Okay, coming back in. Small circles, staying small, and this time we're walking into it. So as we step out, we're bringing those hips forward. So hips forward, stepping out, then hips back, other leg trails. So if I'm going clockwise, if I'm looking down and going clockwise, then the leg that moves is in the direction of the circle. So looking down and going clockwise, that means I'm going to step my right leg, so it'll look like your left. Let's go. Over to the side, nice and slow. And this one's nice because you can move in any direction. Really small steps, keep your feet under your hips, other way. Good, good, good. Small steps, small steps. Keep your hips facing the front the whole time. Let's go one way then the other. 4, 3, 2, other side. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, and 1. I'm really feeling it, working through my back. Hope you are too, in a good way. A little faster. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now this time we're going to add a little transition back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Back. So in that back, what I'm doing is I'm pushing the hip back, bring my weight back, trying to get my hips over there. 4, 3, 2, back. And it's the inside leg or the trailing leg that comes in front as we push back. Okay, shake it out. Staying to the front. It's the music about to finish. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 3, 2, 1. Up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Up. Next time, going for 3. 3, 2, 1. Up. 3, 2, 1. Up. 3, 2, 1. Up. Slow it down if you need. Good. And you can move around. That's it. Next time, going 2. 1, 2, up. 1, 2, up. Stay with it. Good. Good, good, good. And shake it out. Okay, we're coming up to some big circles now, but this time we're adding a step into it. So as we come around, we're coming all the way around and in. So this is also called a break sometimes, and you can practice it with bent knees or straight. So with straight, that's straight, and this is bent. And it's really nice this one if you drop all the way down. So down and around, and in. Down and around, and in. So if you have any neck problems or trouble with your blood pressure, just be careful with this one. You can start off slow. So you're using those feet. So see which feels better for you, bent leg or straight. That's it. Oh, yes. Good. One more. And shake it out, nice work. Okay, into our circles now with a little shimmy. So you can keep your feet nice and hip width apart. Keep your pelvis tucked in, chest up, and come into your shimmy. So if you haven't done your shimmy before, we're basically bending one knee, then the other. So as one bends, the other straightens. Everything through here is nice and relaxed. Stay with it. A little faster. So if it's your first time learning a shimmy, you can stay with this. Keep it nice and strong, keep it nice throughout core. And then we're going to come into our layers soon. So if you haven't heard of layered shimmies before, basically it's doing 2 moves at once. And today we're going to try and do our circle with our shimmy. So keep that shimmy strong. If you have a mirror, make sure you're still bending your knees. Okay, hips come forward, hips come to the side, hips come back, other side, forward, side, back, and side, forward, side, back, and side. And when you're ready, start to smooth it out. So you can stay with forward side, back side, if it works for you. Otherwise, I feel like my voice is wobbling while I'm doing shimmies. It's like my shimmy is vibration in my voice as well. So keep it nice and strong. Your shimmy might get a little smaller and your circle might get a little smaller too. Try and keep it going. That's it, that's it. Doing really well. So remember, you can start with your shimmy, add your circle on, or you can start with your circle and add your shimmy on. Try both. And for this one, try and do the way that feels natural first, with your circle. Okay, back to the center. Other way, we come forward, side, back, and side. Forward, side, back, and side. When you're ready, smooth it out. Keep your posture up. Keep your arms long. Try and keep that shimmy going. And you feel like you're getting it, but then you're losing it. That's a really good sign. It means that you're almost there. So the more you build up your shimmy, you practice, get it into your muscle memory, the easier it's going to get until you're going to be able to do it without thinking. Other way. That's it. Nice and strong. Other way. Okay, now remember our circle walks from the start. We're going to add another challenge, our final challenge for today. Circle walk and back. Circle walk and back. So this time, add the shimmy on top. And back. 4. And back. Little circles. And back. And back. And back. So remember with your circle walks, whichever foot is on the floor, that's the one that you're doing the shimmy on. Watch my feet. Watch my knees. So your shimmy might become a little smaller as you use it to bring it to the circle. That's it. One more. And shake it out. Okay, we're coming into some little combinations now. So we're starting little circle, then big circle break, and then other side. Little circle, big circle break, and change. Little, big, little, and big, little, and big. Keep going. Little, and big, little, and big, little, and big, little, and big. Okay, coming back into our little circles on the spot now. Staying here nice and strong. We're going to get a workout for our calves, through our balance, and up. Okay, so with this one, there are a couple of tricks. You want to keep your heels up so that you can come down low. So you don't want to be keeping your heels down and then you're forced to lean forward and stick your bum up. Instead, posture nice and tall. And I find for this one it helps me to have one foot in front. So feet hip width apart, one foot in front to help you balance. So if you feel you're a bit unbalanced, you can try that. Otherwise you can stay with both feet parallel. Let's go down. So you still keep doing your hip circles as you're down. That's it. Still working through. Come back up, nice and slow. Try and keep that circle strong. Holding up. You can come up into your toes if it feels alright. Coming down. That's it. And up. Woo. Feel it working through the thighs as well. Other way, circles. Little circles. Knees nice and relaxed. That's it. Coming down. That's it. Keep that circle, keep your posture. I know this one's hard, you can stay up if it's too much for you today. And up. And so the circle might stay nice and tiny as well. And again, one way is going to feel easier than the other. So if you're still mastering it, go with the way that feels easy for you. Stay with it. Good. And up. Okay, nice big circles. Coming into a stretch. Other way. And leaning all the way forward, just drop it down. Release through your legs, through your hips, through your back. And then just bring your arms behind your feet, drop your head down. If you can't touch the floor, bring your legs a little wider or have a little bend in your knees. And over to one side. So I hope you enjoyed our circle workout. Good work, if you made it this far through, well done. Did you anticipate that many circles? Other side. Let me know in the comments which way feels better for you, clockwise or anti-clockwise, let me know. And back to center, all the way up, nice and slow. Bring one leg in, knees together, hips forward, feeling it through here. Good, good, good. And bring that leg over, sinking down, feeling it through your glutes here. You can sit back on something or lean back on the wall if that helps. And then staying here, bring that knee down, feeling it through your hips. Awesome job. Good. Another side, knees together, hips forward. So I've been loving doing especially big circles, hip circles. So we've been doing lots of dancing in the morning lately. Bring that foot over, sinking down. And I just find when you wake up first thing, it's so nice to dance, but it's really nice to do those moves that are focused around here. It's like it gives energy to your body, energy to the center. Bring that knee down. So I've been finding figure eights, hip circles and undulations, all feel so good. Okay, bring one foot behind, the same foot that's behind, that arm comes over. Bring it through the side of your body. So if you want to challenge, just launched some new choreographies on my Patreon page. So if you haven't seen Patreon before, basically it's a website that allows independent artists to keep doing what they do. So there's different donation levels. And if you join our choreography Shimmy Shaker I, reaching out, feeling the stretch through the side of your body, or the side of your body here, yeah, then you can learn beautiful veil choreography with me, beautiful ballet choreography with me too. On the side, I'm also working on a drum solo choreography and some musicality courses as well. Reaching forward, feeling the stretch all the way through here, getting those nice rolls through your stomach. Another side. And back to center, just throwing your head over, keeping your shoulder down, feeling the stretch through your neck, making sure your face is straight ahead, adding a little pressure if you need it. And back to center, other side. And if you are new to Belly Dancer Diaries, welcome, well done, thanks for joining me. If you made it this far through, that's an awesome job. Back to center, drop your head down, feeling the stretch through the back of your neck. You can use the weight of your hands for this one to deepen the stretch. And back to center, chin to the ceiling, keeping your mouth closed. Feeling the stretch through the front of your neck. And back to center, shake it out. Awesome job. Thank you so much for joining me for our circles workout. Let me know what your favorite move was in the comments, and I will see you in our next video on Tuesday. Bye.